works. Commit. One other thing that I also did not do last time, which I'm surprised Davey has not yelled at me about yet. You notice how I keep having to erase this? Could we fix that? Let's fix that as part of this. So that is when I submit, I want to clear out the box, right? So in my handle submit, we can do set state. Username empty string. Oh no, good timing though, because we're pretty much done. Got rate limited. So when you start seeing this, we got forbidden. We're over the rate limit for the GitHub API. But good job, everybody. It didn't happen until the very end of class, so we were pretty much done anyway. It's like an hour, I think. So, so let's see. Pass props to fetch user data explicitly. Clear out text box on submit. So that is where we'll end for class today.
You can get a personal API token, by the way, on GitHub, which will allow you to make more requests.
Yes. It's way higher. It is unlikely that unless you're doing something ridiculous that you will hit it. Which, you know, it's possible.
One other thing, tomorrow evening is the Indianapolis Ruby Brigade meetup in the RB. It is a meetup of Ruby developers, obviously. But it's fun. Meet a lot of people. We'll be there. One of the other Fretless guys organizes it, and he's out of town, so I'll probably be sort of emceeing. It's just a fun meetup. One of the talks is about motivation in a particular approach or whatever. The other one's kind of technical, but it'll be fun. You come, there's pizza.
Yeah, it's a good time. But before you leave, we need to talk about homework. Don't you go taking off yet. I'll get the rest of these changes pushed up shortly, so you have the NASA API one just as additional guidelines or examples. But homework is to make your own route here, so you know how to add another nav link, add another route in that switch statement to render another component. You've seen how to use a location to do a fetch. So there are some, use whatever API you want. You can just do a search for APIs that are open to the public. There's some suggestions on here. One thing I would not do, unless you are quite confident in your skills with API, Spotify used to be completely open and not require authorization. It does now. So maybe don't do the Spotify one. You can get some cool stuff off of it, like song samples and album art and everything, but it is a bit trickier to do now. So if you're not comfortable with APIs, maybe avoid that one. But yeah, there's some examples on here, or feel free to look up your own. So make your own route, your own component, fetch some data, any data from an API, and render it so it looks nice.